Hey everyone, welcome back to another video where I'll be talking about and reviewing the 10x income system by Tavey Dee, which is an affiliate program that people can promote. So here we go. Okay, so right now I'm on the New York Weekly, and this is a news article on Tavey Dee, who is growing brands into 6- and 7-figure businesses, guys. So I would highly recommend that people read this article if you are interested in Tavey Dee or just in 10x income system, guys. So throughout her years, guys, she has helped thousands of people in modern money and succeeding online. You know, there it is right there. More than 20,000 people. She has coached more than 20,000 people on modern money and generating over 720,000 from her digital business herself, guys. She's made a name for herself in the online space. She's only 28 years old here. She's a single mom with 3 kids. And of course, there's a lot more information down here, guys. But yes, she has created the 10x income system for people to promote and be successful with, guys. And the thing is, it's very easy to promote right now because there is not much people in the program as of right now. There's not even 1,000 people who are promoting this income system, guys. But there are tons and tons of people who are making money with it, guys, in just a very short time, like a week or just a few days, guys. And that is just fantastic to watch. So yes, I'm just gonna scroll down slowly through this news article, guys, so you can quickly read on it yourselves. So here we go. It actually doesn't go down much further, so it actually stops right here, guys. So this is what I kind of read up on her so far a few days ago, and of course, there's more stuff on her website. The 10x income website. So it's just good to read up on her and know a little bit more about her. She does have a Facebook and Instagram as well. If you look up Tavey Dee, you should be able to see her, guys, because she's pretty well known on the internet, and it shouldn't be too hard to find her. So yes, guys. Okay. All right. Oh, an interesting thing here is she actually did drop out of high school, guys, and was actually pretty hesitant about starting her own business, guys, in the past. And maybe a few of you who are watching this video are maybe deciding to start a business of your own, whether it's affiliate marketing or something else, and maybe you're feeling hesitant as well, guys. But Tabby Dee built all this for herself in just a few short years. And she was a high school dropout. She didn't even have a high school education at the time, guys. If any of you are in a situation like that, or maybe you're not, guys, this should give you the confidence to pursue the things that you want to do, guys. Because you'll never get there quitting. You'll never get there quitting, guys. For me, quitting is not an option, guys. And I'm going to pursue the things that I want to do until it happens, guys. And the more you tell yourself you're going to happen, guys, and just keep on saying it over and over and over again in your head, and actually commit and put action to your goals, guys. You will eventually reach them, guys. It's only a matter of time. And to shorten that time, guys, it's best to learn from someone who is already successful in exactly what you're doing, which is what I'm kind of doing here with Tavey Dee, guys. I've seen a bunch of successful people online, but very few who can actually commit and mean what they're saying. Very few who actually mean what they're saying, guys. And Tavey Dee is actually providing like 365-day money back guarantee for her product, guys. So there's actually very little to lose. That's going to be pretty much it for this video. Thanks for everyone who was able to watch, and be sure to leave a comment down below. And that's going to be it for today, guys.